The next exercise for this virtual classroom, or for the seminar, virtual seminar if you want to say so, it's going to be data analysis. And we'll probably not fit all the discussion of data analysis within this video, because there's a lot to say. On the one hand side, the decision of data analysis methods, discourse analysis, content analysis, and so on and so on. So what kind of methods you choose in order to interpret the data that you actually collected. Well related then already to the data gathering process that you have carried out. On the other hand, obviously data analysis is also related to the process of coding that you might have already started to read about within the book, and that it's one of the basic or most important parts of the kernel theory. So it brings us back once again to a part of the reflection of the kernel theory and of the presupposed idea to ground actually the development of theory into the development and processing and analysis of empirical data that you collected. For the moment, I think the most important task is to figure out what you are actually looking for. So when you have the empirical data collected, let's say you've collected some interviews, is that what you want to find, the discourse that is hidden behind this kind of things that people tell you? Do you want to figure out how and in which context this what people tell you is meaningful and why it is meaningful? Same you could say for things that you observed in the field. Or is what interests you basically what people say, how often they say things, how they repeat things, how they reply to specific kinds of questions. Depending on that, you will have to take a decision about the form you will analyze your data. So one rather fits with discourse analysis, the first one. The second one rather with content analysis. And then there are obviously many other forms of data analysis that you can use in order to interpret or work with your data. Important thing is, however, to really focus on what you actually need from the empirical data that you gather. So whether you can just look on how often someone does, for example, for a certain activity, how often someone says a certain word, how often he repeats, relates to a specific kind of topic, or whether you want to find this kind of wider context that gives meaning and inspires why people say something or why people do not say something. So probably this is the first step that you need to figure out, and if you need further help or you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Looking forward to helping you during the following, well, a little bit more than a month with your data gathering activities. And in the next video I will give you a little bit of information to the issue of data analysis. I hope that's going to help you, and see you later.